How to use CamScanner to scan documents. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now simply tap on the search bar and type CamScanner. Now tap on search. Now you can find different apps. Simply tap on CamScanner and click on install. Now wait for some time. Now while you are installing the application, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. After installing, simply tap on open. Now tap on next. Now tap on the cross icon at the top right corner. Now wait for some time and tap on the cross icon. Now tap on Smart Scan. Now select photo of your document. After clicking the photo, tap on next. Now select the color of your photo. Now tap on next. Now if you want to add another document, simply tap on add. Again click the photo and repeat the same process. Now tap on next. Now if you want to save the PDF, simply tap on edit PDF. Now click on share. Now tap on save to local. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.